you. Thank you so much for being here and watching. Today we're opening up the June Gramma in a box. If you're unfamiliar with this box and have not seen my past unboxing, each month Gramma sends you 3 different activities and you make yummy treats. There's always a theme. I think this is such a fun subscription. You could do it with your little ones, with your family, your friends, significant others. I usually do it by myself, but I think I'll be doing these tonight with my friends. So today we're going to be doing an unboxing, and then I will include photos of my finished activities or treats in the videos so you guys can see what I come up with. This box costs $20 a month, but your first box is only $10, and that is automatically applied. So I am going to leave the website down below. You typically have until the 3rd of the month to order, so you have until July 3rd to get the July box. And yeah, isn't this so cute? Before we get started, I just want to take a quick moment to say hi and welcome if you are new here. My name is Kitty. I do subscription unboxings every single day here in our channel. So if you love subscription boxes, I would absolutely love if you joined and subscribed. That would mean so much to me. This is what it looks like when I open it up. So there are some cards on top. So the first one says the theme for the month, and then like I said, there's 3 projects and there are good instructions for each. So the theme for June 2020 is Emoji in Minion treats. Welcome to the June Gramma in a box. This month we have 3 new projects, including Emoji Pops, Minion Bites, and Emoji and Minion cookies. I'd love to see how your treats turn out, so please send me some photos. Have fun with your cookie and candy crafts from Gramma. Be sure to read through all 3 project cards before you start. I'm working on some patriotic theme projects for next month. If you already subscribed, thank you. If not, the deadline is July 3rd for the next box as we ship the first week of every month. Thank you for helping us grow. And then on the back of that card, it lists all of the contents inside. And it also will let you know if you need anything from home. So this month, it looks like they're basic things that you should have already, like scissors, a microwave, 1 small microwave safe bowl, a paper plate. I've used regular plates in the past if you don't have a paper plate, and then 1 knife, 1 fork, and 1 spoon, and toothpicks are optional. And it says instructions: empty the contents of your box and set the 2 sheets of wax paper on a table to be used as your placemats. For easy cleanup, make sure you do all your work on the wax paper. Nice. I'm just going to show you a quick, try not to drop it, but everything is so well packed and a lot of things are labeled too. So the first project is Emoji Pops, and this is what the card looks like. And I love that on the back of each project it tells you the ingredients for everything, so if you have any allergens or anything like that, or avoid any specific things, you will know. So I think that's really important. But yeah, so back to Emoji Pops. For this project you will need the package of marshmallows. We have some of those right here. Popsicle sticks. Well, there's several in here, but that's what they look like. Emoji candies. I'm guessing this is it. Brown sprinkles. And melting chocolate. We even have a little label there so we know. It looks like they're yellow and white melting chocolate. You also need a spoon, paper plate, a microwave, and a small microwave safe bowl. So you're supposed to pour the chocolate into a small microwave safe bowl and heat in the microwave on high for 1 minute. Stir the spoon and repeat for another 15 seconds until the chocolate is completely melted and smooth. You may have to do another 10 seconds depending on your microwave. Do not overheat or you will scorch your chocolate. It's happened to me the very first time I did this, so that is true. And then pour the brown sprinkles onto a paper plate and remove the emoji candies from their package. And then sometimes for the recipes there's like little font in red, and that's like tips from Gramma. So it says, Gramma says, be sure to save half of the emoji candies for project 3. And then stick one end of the popsicle stick into the melting chocolate, then push into the middle of a flat side of the marshmallow. Do all 6 before you do the next step. Now fill your spoon with melted chocolate and carefully roll the marshmallow and chocolate covering all the sides on the top. Quickly set the popsicle upside down into the brown sprinkles for hair for your emoji, then add a few emoji candies to decorate. Gramma says be sure to save half the chocolate for project 2. Then place the emoji pop upside down on the wax paper to set it up. It will take about 5 minutes to set up, then you can remove them from the wax paper. And you could see here how Grandma made them. My crafts never turn out as cute, but I try, and those look adorable. I don't eat marshmallows, but I can still make these and give them to someone else. And I have a friend coming over that's gonna help me with this stuff later, and they eat marshmallows, so not a big deal. The second project is crispy Minion bites. I feel like I have a hair in my face, so sorry if you guys can tell that where it is, because I can't find it. And again, like with all the recipes, the ingredients and the allergen information's on the back. So it says, for this project you will need the container of Kix cereal. Oh my god, I haven't heard that since I was a child. This is the Kix cereal. You need the blue sprinkles, along with the leftover melted chocolate from Project 1. You also need brown paper cups, which we have right here, and a spoon. You can use the same spoon from Project 1. And if necessary, reheat the melting chocolate for 10 seconds, stir with spoon until smooth, add the package of Kix cereal and mix together. Separate the 6 paper cups and carefully spoon the cereal and chocolate mixture into each cup. Grandma says it's okay if the cereal doesn't get completely covered in chocolate. Working quickly, add a pinch of the blue sprinkles or any of your favorite sprinkles on top, or you can just leave it plain. It will take about 5 minutes for the crispy Minion bites to set up, then you can remove them from the paper cups and enjoy. Now this sounds amazing to me, and there is a sneak peek of what they will look like. And then last but not least, we have our third project, the Emoji and Minion cookies. So for this project, you'll need the cookies. We have multiple shapes. So here are 2 different like circle size cookies. And then these ones are like more oval. Oh, like Minions are kind of shaped like this too. Don't hate on me, but I've never seen those movies that the Minions are in, but I know what they are. And then frosting, and I love how the frosting is sent. It's so convenient. So we have blue, white, and yellow frosting. So all you do is cut off the tip, but you kind of want to like knead it first in case anything settled during the transit, and then you just cut off the end and then squeeze it on the cookie, so it makes it less messy and super easy. And then you will also need the emoji candies and the sprinkles. So there's a few other sprinkles to show you. So we have different shapes and sizes of the blue and the yellow sprinkles, and then those emoji ones as well. So gently knead the frosting bags for a minute if it looks like the frosting is separated during transit. Carefully snip a small piece of the tip of the frosting bags. Gently squeeze all the air out of the bag until the frosting starts to flow. Grandma says be careful not to cut the frosting hole too big. You can always cut more off after you test the flow. Test the amount of frosting coming out by drawing a line on the edge of your wax paper. You can cut more off the tip if the frosting is too thin or too hard to push through. Remove the lid from the sprinkles and pour them onto a plate or pour into separate bowls if you like. You can draw a design with the frosting or spread the frosting out with a knife. Use the toothpicks, which are optional, to create swirly designs, and see how many designs you can come up with. Grandma says when pouring sprinkles on your cookie, hold the cookie over a paper plate, then you can easily pour the leftover sprinkles back into their original container. And then set the cookies off to the side to dry about 15 minutes, then arrange them on a plate or wrap them in plastic and give them as gifts. Oh my god, her cookies came out adorable. I'll have to try and make mine look similar, but yeah. You guys will see by now. But that was everything. I always think this is so cute and so fun to do, especially now that we're spending more time at home, even though things are opening, I just think, stuff like this is fun to get in the mail and, get your family excited to do something together. And yeah, so if you guys are interested in getting the July box, which will have a patriotic theme, which is perfect, 4th of July, then definitely order by the 3rd of July. You've got a little bit of time. And that is everything. I would love to know your thoughts down below. But anyways, thank you so much for being here and unboxing this with me. I hope you're all safe and healthy. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.